we are working. We have absolutely just, yeah, this is going to be a lovely trading day. No news Monday for you. Hello, how is everybody? Got daily high there. What up, Moritz? We're coming perfectly into that daily fair value gap though, so we could see a push to the upside. Just swept daily low, so the next daily target is here. Yo, Hubert. So right now I don't know what to do and what my bias is, if I'm honest, because it was actually bearish, but now we've had this huge sell-off, so, and it's still it's still pushing. We're inside this daily fair value gap, so yeah, this is gonna be I'm gonna heavily de-risk today. Because how the fuck is it still pushing? It's actually a joke. Okay, well, yo, liquidity, hourly. Okay, hourly liquidity down there. If we create a 15-minute fair value gap, we could literally just come up and fill in, dump again. I'm going to heavily de-risk today. No news Monday, and we've had this huge Drake candle come in straight away. So let's say we created that. Okay. Yo, what up, boys? How we just dumped like this? Fuck, you know. I really wanted sells, like a sell position. So now I don't know, because I'm now debating if my bias flips or not. Because it was bearish for the day, but we now come into this buy range. Maybe we find a setup on GU. What's everyone's bias? Because seeing this just makes me want to come off and do something else. How do I disable stream mode? I don't want that on. Settings. Wait, oh no, still enabled. Streamer mode off. Beautiful. The markets today, they're crazy. What a few. Yeah, I know, it's mental. I just didn't, literally, as soon as we opened, dump. And we're still pushing. Oh, damn. I actually might just call it a day. I'll be real. Not how I wanted to start the week at all. Sound too low. My mic in front of my face. It shouldn't be too low. Actually, wait. I know where it might be. Control panel. Uninstall program. No, that's not it. Hardware and sound. Sound. Recordings. Where is it? Microphone. Properties. Levels. Oh, it should be fine. What if I just bump it up? There you are. What 4 hour? Oh yeah, but we're in a daily I might wait for possible. I'm not even gonna lie. The thing is, I literally wanted sales. But we're now in a bearish, we're in a daily bullish fair value gap, so we can literally see a push. That was still pumping. It's not how I wanted to start the week, but let me just put that to everyone. The video is doing well though. It's like 1K views, I'm pretty sure. That should not be there. Oh, maybe it should. Solid. Just got rid of everything that was there. Notion. Excel. I just get onto the what was else? Crest funded. What was I gonna look at? Oh yeah. YouTube. Switch count. Solid white. BRB, don't want to leak my email. Nothing as announcement necessary. The whole thing is just crashed. Your channel, right? Manage, no, wrong thing. Manage videos. 927 is not that bad, you know. 958. We have actually. I should have just shorted the market as soon as we opened. Yeah, boys, I don't think we are going to be trading in London. That's so jarring. This might just turn into a gaming stream again. But I'll do Warzone this time. Got back into Rebirth. How the fuck did someone... You know what, I'm kind of in favour of longs. Whenever there's a huge reaction like this, the market normally quickly recovers and just pumps the opposite direction. I don't want to trade anything dumb. 30, yeah, so 37 pip stop loss in that small. GG, boys. GG. Oh. This is the move I wanted to catch the whole day. Done in the span of 10 minutes. Anyway, how is everybody? Yeah, I'm not bad, not bad. Got my pay. I can request my payout next Tuesday, so I'm just trying to maximize as much profits as I can at the moment. I'm hoping to make around 2 to 3% today. Not today, sorry, this week. And then I'll hit my target that I wanted to do, but if not, it's sweet. No, I might just long purely off this sell-off.
I think I might get to work. What do you mean?
So what are we saying? Just long it to Asia high. What's that? I'm actually so tempted to do that on my 5k account. Oh, got you. Yeah, no, I don't think we're going to get an entry, if I'm honest. I've been slowly getting my 5k account out of drawdown. I was down like 7%, I'm now at break even. Look, I'll show you if I can. I'll show you without leaking everything. Give me 1 second. But 7%, 6%, sorry. In the last 2 days, I'm gonna long this shit on my 5k account.
I don't know why my mic just randomly cuts out.
I never used to do that. Anyway, no, this is just, I'm just looking at this. Might take it on my 5k. I'm not that bothered about my 5k account. Can't lie, if nothing happens by macro, I'm literally gonna play Warzone, I'll be real. Or should we play Warzone now? Who would want to watch me play Warzone? Probably no one. Yeah, most likely. That's what happens. If there's a huge push, it either retraces straight away or it just kind of consolidates. So I think it's going to be London's New York session play. Because the move I wanted for the day was this move. I wanted to sell off into the daily or the 4-hour fair value gap.
Curious to why you don't back.
To be honest, I view back testing as a way to refine your strategy. If you already know your edge and you're already good with your strategy, in my point,
I can't see the point.
Doesn't give you the real life market situations in terms of emotions and the psychology you need to deal with. And I just find it aids. Yeah, I'll see if you were like testing data from like 3 years ago. To me, very good if you're a beginner, but a lot of people say just don't do it because it doesn't give you the actual real world conditions. I think I back tested once for about an hour and I was like, why the fuck am I doing this? But don't get me wrong, very good if you're a beginner. Like back test if you're a beginner. That's how you refine your strategy. But for me, I always just wanted to jump in the market. Yes, I've lost a lot of money in terms of challenges, but ultimately it's taught me a lot. Like, it's to the point I lose money. I could lose like 600 quid in a day. I'm like, oh, here's what it is. Okay, I'll give you my opinion. This is not to be taken literally. You decide on your own free will. Buying a challenge and hopping in, for me, I lost a lot of money buying challenges, but I was a bit dumb when buying challenges. But ultimately, it made me learn a lot quicker. Because it's like, at the start, I had the emotional attachment with money. And then after losing so much, I'm like, okay, it's part of the game. I've got to refine myself and refine my strategy. So for me, buying challenges helped me a lot more than just demo money. Because on demo accounts, I would just long randomly. I wouldn't take it seriously because I didn't have that emotional attachment to money. Because it's like, if you buy a challenge, like even a 5k challenge, for like, if you use my link on Secret, it works. If you use my link, you can get a challenge even cheaper. So it's like, you'll be spending about 40 quid, 30 quid GBP on a challenge. You might lose it, but then your body or your mind's getting trained to losing that money and just experiencing what it's like to use actual money, but also lose actual money as well. And no back testing can teach that, or a demo account. Now, demo accounts is a good idea if you're first started to test your strategy and find your edge. Don't get me wrong. Everyone needs to demo account. Exactly. I've got a demo account. I've got a demo account that I was just trading on, just testing some stuff ages ago. And I would randomly just place buys, like a 1.4 lot size buy, making about 600 quid on a 5k account. Like, I just didn't care. And no demo account can teach you the psychology. Demo account is just good for purely seeing if your strategy is profitable. But yeah, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, let's look how much it would cost if we use my link. Oh, so we're on my link. This is if you wanted to use Seacrest. Obviously, you don't have to. Do 2-step 5k, empty 5, 47 pounds or $47. I think you're Australian, aren't you? So dollar to. I'm going to buy a coffee. We'll be back in 5 minutes. All right, sweet. So dollar to AUD, because I'm pretty sure you're Australian, if I'm right. 47 is about 73 Australian dollars. Oh yeah, that is long. Forgot how high inflation is there. And we're still dumping. I actually love the markets. If you've got the money, Caspar, and you've got some sort of strategy and some sort of edge, then I would do it. I can't lie. Create a set of rules, risk management guide, and then you're sweet. I can show you mine, which I have. I do this every week. Let me find you on Discord. Caspar, pretty sure this is you. A message. So look, I'll send you a picture of. And then. If I DM someone random, sorry, can't message this user. What is with my Wi-Fi? Retry. Can't send. Why can't I send you a message? Yeah, that's cheap for what? Yeah. Why can't I? Have you got like messages blocked or something? Let me try now. Let me add you as a friend. Oh, I had to add you as a friend. There you are. I think I've just DM'd the right person. If that's not you, apologies. But yeah, if you're losing money, your attachment to money goes very quickly. But yeah, I would just recommend using my link so you just get a bit of money off. They're a good firm as well. I'm not doing this to be like, oh yeah, I got a affiliate. No, they genuinely are a good firm. If you use them, let me know and I'll link you their Discord if you have any questions for them. Drink, give me a sec. I think I'm just gonna. Okay, I don't know what to do. Either we can play a bit of video games, because this is doing fuck all, or we can watch YouTube videos of trading together. What would everyone want to watch? Watch a bit of TJR's trade recaps and learn. Ooh. This is definitely a scam. Shit, I don't know what my Steam login is. Oh my days, why do I never know any of my logins? Oh, my back is in pieces. Give me a sec. Apparently this is a $50 free Steam.
you spelt wrong.
Oh shit, you're right. Wait, but this looks like... This looks like full on legit. Oh my god, I think you just saved me from a scam. Oh my days, you actually, I think you just saved me from a scam. Sweet. Fair play, looks legit. Good thing I don't know my fucking login. I've got nothing on my Steam account anyway, I'll be real. I literally have nothing. I really want to play Schedule 1. How do I fall for a scam link? I think that's the only ever scam link I've fell for. Yo, Moritz, you back? Literally nothing has happened. So, you've got two ideas. Either we watch trade recap videos from TJR, or I play Warzone. What do you lot want to do? My mate's got a DJI vlog camera that he said he would sell to me for cheaper. Pocket. It's like not the newest one. It's the one with this screen that doesn't move. This one. Let me turn the music off. Trade recaps. Alright, sweet. Give me 1 second. My mate has this camera and he doesn't use it. And he said he would just sell it to me for a lot cheaper.
Either via a Lightning or a USB-C connector directly to the DJI Osmo Pocket and unlock additional features by using the DJI Mimo app. Some of these features, the video quality afterwards, objects move much. It's
shittest review of my life. Thank you. Osmo Pocket. Oh, yes and no. I'm going away and my girlfriend wanted to vlog. So I was like, you know what? Why not? But we're going to do it on our phone. And my mate's got a camera like this. I think it's this one that he said he would just sell to me for a lot cheaper. I don't mind doing like day in the life videos.
Tap on that very quick, slide right, and let's show you the one basic nice looking motion lab video, which looks.
I would love. He would sell it to me. So retail, it's about, what is it? DJI Osmo Pocket. What one is it? I can't remember what it was. I think it's this one. Pocket. It's either Pocket 2 or 1. Pocket. it to, let's look. Yeah, so new it's about 280. He said he would sell it to me for 150, which is a huge steal. So it'd be this. It's not as good as the newest one, but it's like I'm getting it for ridiculously cheap. You know what? If I make 5% on this payout, I'll buy it off him. We'll do that. Because yeah, me and my girlfriend are going away from Rome and we wanted to vlog it. But I wouldn't be opposed to doing like day in the life videos.
Okay, so trade
Recaps. Let's watch that. Is this Justin Whaling? I'm pretty sure. No, it's TJ. That's good.
Can you hear it? Yeah.
Day trading Nasdaq smoking on your ass crack, and then also how I passed a funded account on Top Step in one single day.
Wait, give me a sec. I'm trying to just change the color of the text of the chat box. Front color will do white. Close, that should work. Someone wants to type in chat quick.
There's always people commenting, fake, fake, fake. Well, guess what? Dipshits. I put the shit on here so you guys can actually see it now. This is Trade-Evade, and then I'll show you guys. This is the funny thing. I guarantee you I'll show this shit and you guys will still be like, he's not actually doing what he says he does. This guy's a scammer. He just wants you to sell. He just wants you to buy his course. No, bro. I'm making these YouTube videos so you guys can fucking learn from me for free. If you guys want to become my student, cool. Link in the fucking description. But you guys, by all means, don't need that shit, okay? That's just if you guys want extra coaching from me, to get on a fucking call with me, to, like, actually ask questions from me, okay? This is where real fucking knowledge comes from, okay? So
my mental, mate.
We're dialing, okay? God damn it, Timmy! Okay. So, I only took one trade on the live account. I'll kind of sort of cover the other two trades briefly. But anyways, first trade, Nasdaq smoking on that gas pack. Super obvious. I told the stream straight up, right when we got on, I was like, I have a bearish bias. Why? Because we have London session lows right here, with relative equal lows right here, with Asian session lows right here. Cool? So these were my draws on liquidity for the day. It was obvious that price wanted to go down here and take them. Following that, okay, boom, market opens. What do we make? We come up, we sweep out London session highs, even more on my bearish bias. We make a 5-minute SMT off of the London session highs. Fucking beautiful. Nasdaq's the lagging index. And then really the rest is history, okay? We come down, we break 5-minute structure. Like, this should have been the easiest thing ever. We break 5-minute structure. We make a 5-minute fair value gap. Scale. Boom. We come up. We fill in the 5-minute fair value gap. I enter literally right after the macro. I put my stop loss above this candle, okay? And the reason why I did this was because I had such a strong bias that these relative equal lows were going to get taken out. So I was like, fuck it, I'm willing to enter off this dick-sized Drake candle. And just because
That's tiny compared to today.
realistically, price isn't going to come. It might come, but sorry, that was a joke. But realistically, price isn't going to close down here. First of all, take out this external draw on liquidity, and then come all the way the fuck back up here. If it did come all the way the fuck back up here, then my bias was wrong, and these lows aren't going to get taken out, and we are going to be like reversing.
You reckon NQES is cleaner PA?
My bias was correct.
It does. It is proven to have cleaner PA, but I don't know. I just never really wanted to trade futures just yet.
I wanted these relative equal lows to get taken out. That was the actual draw on the liquidity for the day. And yeah, price ended up going down. I was in drawdown for like literally 1 minute, and then boom, 3-4 minutes later, we end up hitting full take profit. I was considering putting extendo clip take profit on Asian session lows as well, but the way that the market has been treating me recently, it's just, I would rather de-risk and take profits early than be heavier on risk and look for extended take profits. At least today, though, is giving me a good feeling. Today,
Market
the
updates
volatility
doing
was
nothing
there,
still.
the volume was there, like everything was there in terms of like trading conditions. So if we can keep this up, then I'll start to be able to size back up, and I'll start looking for these extended trades. But for now,
You
just
also
going
have to
based on
pay
what
to
the
watch
past 2
future
weeks
charts
have
from
been,
TradingView.
and
Do you?
that's been shit. So that was the trade that I took on the live account.
Never knew that.
We'll go ahead and because again, I just know how you guys are, you know, just being the fucking nerds that you guys are. You guys are always saying he didn't make $15,000. You know what? I wouldn't believe it either, except every single trade recap. You know, we have to do shit
What?
like
That's
this,
I
where
really
actually
want to
show you
use
I
that
did-
platform. But I think it's called Trade Locker, but
Whatever. You
Seacrest
can
don't
see
offer
that
it,
it's
which is jarring.
$1,000 on there. But again, I gain like nothing. From
Oh,
having
shit.
about
Okay, so yeah, there's literally no
like,
point.
You realize that I've gotten on here and admitted to losing $70,000 on a single trade to you. Like, what makes you think that I would lie about making $15,000 or lose? Like, why would I cap about that? But here we are with idiots in the comment section saying you didn't actually take this.
Nice
trade.
little insight.
Well, here we are, and I knew that people were gonna say, "Oh, you didn't actually take those longs. You're just bullshitting. You're lying." So we had to pull out the Trade Evade connector and actually show you guys these entries.
I need to get
Okay.
a new phone. I want to get a
So,
second phone, but like
here
a
we
trading
are.
dedicated
So
phone.
that was the short trade. Awesome. Let's go ahead and get rid of this, and this, and this. Okay, cool. So from there, we come into these Asian session lows. Again, I don't want you guys to think too deep about these two trades because, look, I was just trying to pass the funded account. Like, were they good trades? Yes, for sure. I mean, I fucking dubbed both of them. But are they trades that I want you guys taking as beginner traders or traders that are learning how to trade? No. This is for people that I'm not even going to say anything. This is a TJR type of trade, okay? This is like, you know, like we don't want a bench player taking a fadeaway three-pointer in the middle of the game. But if Kobe or Stephen Curry does it, it's okay. I'm Stephen Curry in this situation, and you guys are unfortunately the bench player. Not saying that you guys can't be Stephen Curry. You guys for sure can. But I'm just saying right now, you guys risk to reward.
Right, not one. He just waffles for the rest. I'll lose. He just made 15k and then lost it straight away.
Alright, bros. Today I lost
What's everyone saying?
Oh, you're talking about future shot.
$15,000 day trading NASDAQ. Gave some profits back to the market, but it's okay because we are still up on the week, okay? So this was the short trade that I took. My overall bias was based on these lows right here, or actually mainly focused on these S&P 500 lows. I saw not only that we had these London session lows right here, but we also had previous day lows right here, and then weekly lows right here. And I was like, these are super strong draws on liquidity. I think the price is just going to come down and going to want to take these out. And we're already in a downtrend. Like, what is easier for price to attain? We're right here. What's easier draws on liquidity for price to attain? Probably these London session lows, which did end up getting hit. And then once we take out these London session lows, we'll probably want to come down and take these. So I was right about the London session lows getting taken out. However, that's what actually caused a liquidity sweep and then a rotation back to the upside. And I ended up losing a trade based on this. So going into market open, I marked out London session, these were hourly highs, then London session highs, Asian session highs up here. We had London session lows, which were right here, and then we had previous day lows and then week lows. Now, market opened and we continued this 5-minute bearish trend, and we actually made a 5-minute bullish SMT, and honestly, I kind of discredited this a bit, only because we were so close to taking out these lows, and I really shouldn't have discredited it. But it was this low right here. I know there wasn't a 5-minute low, but it was like it was essentially a 5-minute SMT. We had this low right here, and then this low being lower on ES, and then on NASDAQ, this low right here, this low being higher on NASDAQ. But I saw this, and again, this isn't what you guys should do, but I'm just giving you guys the reasonings for my trades. We had price go sweep above these highs, and after pushing above these highs, I was like, okay, that really was like the 5-minute SMT playing out, because we just wanted to reach up and hit hourly equilibrium from this swing high down to this swing low that we're forming, and because of that, price is going to go down and take out these lows. And what ended up happening is we swept out these highs, and that just ended up being a catalyst for a 5-minute retrace down into this 5-minute equilibrium to push price higher. Today was a little bit difficult for me to read, just because we wicked into, I mean, even on ES, right? We had this like 5-minute breaker block, we had this 5-minute fair value gap that we filled perfectly, and then we get this huge candlestick wick down, and then we get this inverse fair value gap. That's what I took the trade off of on NASDAQ, where we had these 5-minute highs. We failed to break the 5-minute highs. We're within hourly equilibrium from these hourly highs down to these hourly lows, and then we're getting a whole bunch of confluences to the downside with these draws on liquidity underneath here. I thought that was like the best play for the day. It turns out that wasn't the best play for the day. I do think, however, we will end up probably reacting off of whatever sort of high time frame confluences we have up here. We do have this hourly high right here. I think ES is probably the better idea, just because we have, boom, now we have these New York market open, previous day lows, and week lows right here. I do think that we could have the potential to react off these highs. I am going to avoid trading for the rest of the day, and I'm also not going to be trading tomorrow, so don't go on the stream tomorrow, or I'm not even going to be streaming tomorrow, because we have non-farm payroll and Federal Chairman Powell is speaking. So on GoMoon, we can see we have non-farm payroll that's super, super high impact. On top of that, we have Federal Chairman Powell speaking. That's a 9 impact as well. The volatility is going to be very high. Macro impact is very high. The risk level is high. I would definitely try and avoid trading tomorrow, especially if you guys are a Forex and commodities trader. Indexes, they don't really get affected too bad by non-farm payroll. However, they do get affected really bad from a Powell speech. So keep that in mind. I would probably look to avoid trading tomorrow just because of that Powell speech. So regardless of what you guys are trading, I would just call it a day. I'm going to call it a week and be said and done. I know this was a relatively short trade recap, but most of the times I don't really want to go too in depth with my losses here, because it's teaching you guys the wrong thing, right? If I made a mistake, then that's on me. The biggest mistake was disregarding this 5-minute SMT. Another big mistake was trying to take a trade off of a non-key level. Okay, there was no key levels that I was looking to take the trade off of when we had just came down and actually swept out London.
Oh, that's a flipping another one. Are you lot finding this boring? Do you want me to do something else?
CRM shouldn't weigh your budget down. It should lift your teams up. A CRM shouldn't hide.
Yo, what's good, guys? This is how I.
Just wait for people to respond. That is a lovely trade.
Love from India. Yo. Oh, I responded to your comment, didn't I? Literally about an hour ago.
I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken. Wait.
Give me one sec. Getting called.
I made $19,000 day trading NASDAQ.
Alright. But, yeah. Trump has actually fucked the whole market.
Day trading the S&P 500 this morning. I could have made way more. I got a little bit greedy today. Okay, I got a little bit greedy.
No, I don't know the difference,
I made
Max.
like 34K on this chop block, and then I ended up giving a decent amount of money back here. But hey, at least I didn't end in like a mega loss for the week. At least I was able to make some money today, which is a big W. So we're chopping down those losses. And like I said, I mean, obviously you guys see how much money that I made. We are increasing the freaking lot size, okay? So we made, I mean, let me add it up again. I'm pretty sure it was right around 34K. 10,000 plus 14,000, that's 24,000 plus another 10,000. Yeah, so $34,000 on this short. So I know a lot of people are going to be like, gambler, gambler, gambler. Hear me out. NASDAQ, I was bullish for the day, okay, up until until these key levels up here. We had London session high, we had relative equal highs here on ES. This was, I believe, PPI news data highs. So these were data highs, and then these were previous day highs. So I marked out all of those. As we know, data highs are super high draw or super strong draw on liquidity. So we know, we see, we understand that. Okay, we come up, we take out London session high, and I'm like, fuck, man, we got to get a retrace. We get a mini retrace here, and then boom, we go up and we take out these highs, and I'm like, shit.
I need to find the best way to learn math and science.
It's Brilliant.org.
Whoa.
Brilliant has thousands of interactive lessons.
There goes my bias for the day. But then, out of freaking nowhere, we get this mystical, magical, really awesome opportunity that I have. This is a little bit different than a typical TJR trade, but I was willing to take it because it was super short term. We had news coming out in like 5 minutes after this, and I knew that I would be able to get in and get the fuck out. So we come up, sweep out these highs, we get an inverse on the 1 minute, and then we make a 1 minute SMT. So I see that, I see an inverse on the 1 minute and a 1 minute SMT. I instantly say, I know for a fact we're taking out these lows. I know for a fact that we're taking out these lows and we're retracing on the 5 minute. Instantly. You're probably saying, well, how did you know that? Well, if we break structure or get an inverse for value gap on the 1 minute, more often than not, what is that? It's a 5 minute retrace. So I know, okay, the 1 minute gives me an inverse for value gap. We have two low resistance draws on liquidity, and this is perfect area for a 5 minute retrace. So I enter literally right after this SMT, stops above this high, so super tight stop loss. And I know that news comes out at 10. So right here, this candle was when news came out. And I know that news was going to be high impact, okay? Go Moon, right here, inflation expectations, macro impact, very high. Volatility, very high. Risk level, very high. Popularity, high. Like everything is high on this news event. So you're probably saying, why the fuck did you trade before news? Because I knew that if I entered off this SMT, worst case scenario, I take a small-ish loss, okay? Because again, I made $34,000 on this. I was risking a little bit, it was higher risk than like a $5,000, but it was less than $45,000 like I did a couple days ago. Okay, but it was like lower risk on my high risk end of things. Okay, I entered right here, stops above here, and I knew that news came out at 10, and I was assuming that these lows would get taken out before then. They did get taken out before then. I took partial profits, I moved my stop loss to break even, and then boom, price came all the way down, sweeping out these pre-market lows. I took, again, more partial profits right here, and then when price left this big ass wick, I exited completely right here. So that is what helped me make $34,000 on NASDAQ. This is where I fucked up, I would like to say, the most. Hold on. I'm not taking another trade. I was just looking. I'm addicted to this shit, bruh. I'm addicted. But anyways, oh yeah, I forgot to show you. This was the SMT. So high right here, higher high on ES, high right here, lower high on NASDAQ, okay? This was the dumb trade that I took on the S&P 500. This was honestly pretty impulsive, and it was because I coming into the day, we had a high time frame SMT divergence. Boom, NASDAQ making higher lows, ES making lower lows. Okay, ES was the lagging index. And for this 4-hour SMT divergence, in my eyes, to be complete, I think we need to take out all of this low resistance liquidity. Maybe even all the way up here. Maybe even all the way up here to these, I believe this was CPI news data highs. Because these are data highs. We know that data highs are a super strong draw on liquidity. So I see this 4-hour SMT divergence, and I'm thinking, okay, I want not only these highs, which are lower time.
Yo, I'm back. Sorry, I was on the phone.
I want these highs right here. I want these highs right here. I want these highs right here. These highs and data highs. And then I'll consider this 4 hour.
Can't lie, I might just play a bit of Warzone. I'm debating whether to enter a buy right now. Ignore that, ignore that. Took out liquidity. We could see a potential buy setting up. Liquidity, we could have a breaker structure of this high here. Fair value gap, and then we just run to the upside. That could be a potential little setup. What's everyone want to do? Because the market's doing nothing. Could see a potential setup, maybe. So what are we wanting to do? Let's play, right? Because a buy is coming up soon, so that's something I'm going to be looking out for. I think my bias is flipped for the day. I can't lie. All for at least of London, because we're going to have a huge push. I would happily take a buy off this move. Can't lie. Right. Let's play some games. Not going to be on stream for much longer. I do need to do the best graphic settings. Where's my iPad? Let me get my iPad. And it's dead. Solid. It looks like I'll be having to do it off my phone. Best graphic settings for Warzone. 6 days ago. For Danks is back. Oh. Fucking hell, just get to the point. This guy waffles. Kingdom Come. guy's South
Call of
African.
Duty just doesn't make sense in the first place. Anyways, because they spoke a lot of fucking bullshit. You want your game to be at the limit of your screen. So let's say 60 hertz, 120 hertz, all the way to 500. It will cap your FPS to the refresh rate of your screen, of your monitor. It will go ahead and do that on 100%. Another thing is it will also make your game feel much, much smoother playing, let's say. So let's just say you're doing 120 max.
Why can't I?
Everywhere you go on the map, doesn't matter where you are, doesn't matter if
Oh,
you're
jeez, what have I done?
piss off. Doesn't matter. You are peaking at 120, and that's the highest that your FPS goes, even on unlimited. Then I would highly recommend you come inside here and cap your FPS to 20 FPS lower. So that would recommend to 100. Okay? Leave it there. 20 FPS less than what you're achieving inside the game. All you are is a screen that you don't, and your computer engine. Video makes it extreme and then custom. Right. Now, if you've never changed anything inside you before and you've only been using these over here, then you will not have something like custom, and you won't have something like preset and recommended. Okay? You won't have those two options. You'll only have these over here. Wait, at 100 render resolution. I've changed it in my control panel settings with DSR factors. Alright? So that's basically your upscalings and stuff like that that you can go ahead and change. I'm not going to go in depth with that because you really don't need to. Just have this at 100 and you should be good to go. What I do is I put mine at 200 because then I play my game to 4K, and this is how I've been running my game perfectly fine, just like this. Dynamic resolution, I highly recommend, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead. What if Death-Tide this game, you get 8 saying on Reddit, user medium and sharpening and jump to 4. If you're experiencing FPS like dips and your game just feels like absolute dog shit and you can't bear it, go with the balance, and it will balance out the performance and the quality of your game, and your game will run much, much smoother on your lower end machine. Please go ahead and use this. Now, the same applies for AMD FSR 1. Go ahead and go over here, and then go over here. Then you can see that there is no native when it comes to AMD FSR 1, so you won't be able to do the native resolution.
Surprised, I don't think anyone's even here yet. We're still here.
Of your monitor. That's one thing about AMD FSR 1. You do not have the native option. You can't do strictly 1080p, 1440p, or 4K. But what you can do is come inside here and then go to quality and have your game run really, really well while having really, really good performance. Game with it on everything in the game is fidelity if it's cache. Now, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I know that there's a lot of people out there that favor different upscalings, like for instance, NVIDIA LTL-SS. A lot of people actually use this and they go ahead and use this on balance, so it can balance out the performance and the quality at the same time. I do recommend, if you do not want to see
Bro, please just get to the point.
Can go to native running a 1420 40. Alright, so then you get to the Intel upscaling inside this game, which
I'm
some
here.
people are using, so then please go ahead and use these two options over here. Alright, you can also go to quality over here, you should be fine. Just do not then, because these are
This guy's thorough, but frick me.
It really doesn't. So I recommend for low end to medium end machines, go to low over here. If you have a higher end machine like me, go. I don't have the best of machines, but I do own a high end machine. Classified as a high end machine. It's not really classified that much anymore as a high end machine, but normal runs perfectly for me.
Ultra, detail quality, normal, particle, normal, on, off, shader quality, medium, optimized. South Africans have got a mouth on them. They swear so much. Normal, off, off, off. Environment, all. Low, low, off, off, fly. Right. Where is Resurgence? We'll do trios. Find a match. Right. Knowledge. Find match. Good could see a potential buy happening actually. Solid, as I'm literally about to play. This. Which I'm not against. I've not played Warzone in time. You lot are gonna have to bear with me. Right. This is Yo Ravi. The reason I'm playing Warzone is because there's literally no setups happening. Well, there's a setup could be happening, but markets are slow. Wait, can I turn up my audio so you lot can hear it? There you are. You should be able to hear the game now. I've got alerts on my phone, so if the trade does line up, we'll be able to catch it. I'll switch over, but for now, we are going to be playing Warzone. And bear with me, I've been a while since I've played. So, probably going to die quite a lot. Why does my game look blurry? Of course. Does anyone know to make your game less blurry? Quality view. Motion that off.
I'm back on station. Go get after it.
It looks so blurry. Like, look at that. Why is it so yeah, I'm gonna have to do some setting changes. My sensors all over the place. The growl's back. Remember when this used to be the shit back in the day?
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Taking effective fire.
Solid. Oh, they're here. Shit. I ain't got my headphones on. Probably a mistake. Yeah, that shouldn't be that blurry, should it? I'm gonna have to do some settings. Because I can't look. Why does it look so good on stream? That does not look like it does for me. Mate, you lot are chilling.
Reinforcements inbound.
I can't see shit. Everything's blurry for me. It's like I've stuck a blur filter on. That's how bad it is.
Enemy UAV is online.
I might as well just watch through my stream.
Enemy soldier incoming. Your squad made it to the safe zone.
price is just pumping up. Could see a potential sell actually, but I probably won't take anything till New York.
I'm back online.
Kill coin. I need to sort out my sensors, but everything's off right now. Back in the day, I used to be a demon at this game. Played last night, first game on 1, which was alright to be fair. It does not seem like it, does it? You gonna revive me? No?
10 remain. Keep pushing. We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Alright, let me... Best quality settings, Warzone, make less blurry. There you go.
I can't believe my graphics in Warzone. I've just upgraded my PC and it looks insane. Honestly, chat, it's so realistic. Is that someone there? I can't believe my graphics. Do you ever feel like when you're playing this?
Do you not want to show me?
There's a setting on Warzone 2 that a lot of people don't know about that you need to change right now. Go to graphics, then view, then go to first person camera movements. Change this to least at 50%. This will make your camera shake less in game to make your aim better.
That's not... That setup it still hasn't done anything. Yo. We're playing Warzone. Shit. All we did is literally just sell off. We did nothing. Off. Optimal. Yeah, we literally did nothing. All we did is sell off. No entry. It looks like we're now pushing back up, but we haven't got an entry. Or I've marked an entry out, but nothing has final match. Blue bitch. Yeah, that push up on Naz was crazy. Bitch flew up 1% in 1 minute. I know, it's fucking mental. We do have some sort of setup forming on Euro USD on the 5-minute time frame, but it looks like we're not going to get a retrace anytime soon for it. So it looks like it might just be a New York type of play. Crazy. So I was like, you know what? Butt off trading. Let's play some Warzone. I'm gonna come off stream in a minute. Anyway, probably like 15 minutes. I haven't played Warzone in ages, so I thought, you know what? Let's give it a go. Started playing again last night. Oh, that looks so much clearer. Sweet. Game doesn't look arse anymore. And my frames are holding as well, which is nice. 120, it's not that bad.
All stations, this is Shadow
Wait,
01.
that's probably what's killing my FPS. If I go down to what it's supposed to be, apply, graphics, apply, confirm, my graphics should show up again. Yeah, sweet, my 200s, yeah, that's not bad. I upgraded my PC last Christmas. Yeah, that's not bad. It's a lot more than it used to be. Alright, give me your gun. Ooh. Oh, sweet. Give me this gun. Sorry. Peek, 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 peek. Oh. Okay. Anyway. There's people here. Why is there only just snipers in this place? And a bazooka. Alright, solid. Because I wanted a bazooka, didn't I? Oh no, sweet. I'll take that.
All bounty targets destroyed. Hell of a job. Enemy dropping into the AO. Assault squad compute this quartier. Squad mate back on station. Good.
Aye. Come on, our teammate should have killed him.
I'm back up.
You're redeploying.
Team didn't kill him. Absolutely. So,
Well done.
right. And we're fucked. I only like playing Warzone with my mate called Jack. Me and him. Oh, we are actually unstoppable. It's quite funny. The last time we played together, we got 6 wins in a row. And the only reason we stopped is because I had to come off.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the
Just
sky.
be that annoying prick that always has a shotgun. Trying to give me my vest. Increase capacity. Already equipped. Oh.
Additional contract online. Your squad's in the safe zone. Gas is moving.
I need to figure out what good sense is
Enemy
as well.
UAV overhead.
What? I hate that. I need to sort that out. Auto jump.
Hostile UAV in the area. All bounty targets are KIA.
Does anyone know what that? No, no one's gonna know what that is. Auto jump, like auto mantle. What would it be called? Fucking Craig.
Enemy UAV overhead.
We've actually still got people watching.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh, and they know we're here. Solid. Heartbeat. I hate the auto. Actually throws me off. I need to sort that out.
Right.
And I'm being touched. What would it be in controller movement? Off.
I'm back online.
Stand by for redeployment.
Taking fire.
Fuck off.
You have reinforcements inbound. Enemy dropping into the AO.
We are just ripping to the upside.
Changing mags.
There goes my entry. Am I going to be able to get that loadout drop?
I'm back
You're
up.
getting another chance. Weapons
No, I am
free.
not. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay, let's get this scav. Why is the movement? Have they changed them? I don't even know if anyone plays Warzone. Fuck off.
Hostile UAV in the area.
I'm being trapped. Oh, shit. Sherlock.
Taking effective fire.
Nah, movement is definitely changed. Right. Yeah, movement has definitely changed. Okay. Why is the movement so arse now?
I'm reloading.
Movement. Crouch assist off. Slide, maintain sprint. Mantle plus reload.
Boom.
wrecked in the market today and getting fucked on Warzone.
Resurgence. Stay alive and keep the squad alive.
I used to play this game for ages. He's what? What? Where did he come? Oh, he landed late.
He literally did what I was gonna do. Or what I did.
Yeah, I think my bias is flipped, you know.
I'm back online. Turning you to the front. Earn this.
I definitely think sell could happen. The way price is moving, getting perfectly back into our discount range. But I don't want it to make a move before New York. I don't really want to trade outside New York. So A+ setup I will. But whenever New York plays, we always manipulate. Piss off! What is that?
Well done, soldier.
Oh, no.
Check your map for the next gas spread location. You've got time for another bounty. Get it done. Buy station right here.
Why is it so far to like reach for chests? You have to be like right in front of them.
My waypoint. Setting rally point. Scratch that. Go shooter.
Your response stick. Prefer sales but open. Just didn't get pulled back to the FUG. I remember the TTK on guns used to be ridiculously fast.
Primary objective complete.
Like some guns were just absolutely mental.
Loadout drop headed your way. Clear another target.
I need to pull out my other controller.
You've got a loadout drop inbound. Enemy drop. Changing back. All bounty targets destroyed.
Can you not slide cancel? Can't even slide cancel nowadays.
Target down. Marking the rest of them. Enemy UAV is online.
Someone on me. Near him.
Requesting recon above. Hostile UAV in the area.
Ah, vas-y, ça me casse les couilles.
Stand to you,
C'est la
soldier.
merde, ça.
Stay sharp. Marks remain in operation. Squad. Hunt them down. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Anything else?
Friendly
No.
loadout drop
Right.
on the way.
I kind of want to upgrade. Can I? Oh, that's fine. Cause this one. I want to upgrade that gun. So if I keep that and then Give me that. Nice little XP. Bitch is not peeking at all. Come on, peek again. You won't.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map.
One there. Oh no! Oh, come on. That's such a good loadout.
Get ready. You're redeployed.
Let me see if I can. What was it? That one? You know what? Give me a car 98. I've only got one bullet though. You got one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted. Just capture it. Pull out to the doo-doo.
Got 10 squads active in the field. Enemy soldier incoming. Loading.
Bitch stole everything I had.
Strike ready for tasking. Changing mag. Enemy UAV is online.
Really like that gun. Bruv, how is that not a headshot? Why is the mantle spot so arse? I actually probably look like such a noob right now, to be honest. Oh. Peek again. Peek, bitch. And you're just giving yourself absolute pussy. Ha! What? Why did it? What? Didn't think you could get hit through the roof, but righty. And someone's on my body, aren't they? What is my team doing? The team is fucked. How the hell? Come on. I'm gonna land on them. They look like they got loot.
I'm back on another chance. Weapons free.
There.
Get ready. Resurgence window is about
Resurgence will be finished soon. Okay. MP5. Right. Give me that. That's. Oh.
unprotected buy station detected. If you reach it in time, you'll receive a discount.
This looks like a decent loadout.
Move to the safe
So
zone.
closing now. What's this? Munitions box. Bruv. What the fuck? You're actually not so fucking used to me.
Hunt them down. The enemy is no longer tracking you. You lost them. Changing mag.
I used to be good at this game. Now I'm just shit. You saw me back in my prime. Oof. Could have gone pro to be fair if I actually tried.